Hi guys, my name is Laureate. I'm a design engineer, and this video is about SolidWorks computer aided design. So today we are going to learn about starting a sketch in SolidWorks. So we're going to choose a plane, and always remember that before you can sketch, you need to hit sketch, right? And then you draw. Okay, so what if we already have a figure designed here? Let's assume that. What if you want to draw on the surface? Okay, you want to make a sketch on the surface. The basic rule you need to remember here is you always choose that surface and then hit sketch. And then you can do whatever you want to do on that surface. So in the same way, if you have a plane you're trying to work in, all right, you have to make sure you select the surface of that plane and then you choose sketch. So let's see, let's try to choose sketch without selecting any surface. So it's going to ask us that which surface are you trying to sketch on, So always remember to choose the surface and then you choose sketch. Then you have liberty to do anything you want to do. You realize that every extrusion and every work we do only appears on that surface we chose. Okay, so this is a very simple rule in SolidWorks. Catch you in the next video.